I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my throat, it's a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone. Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. It's safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. But ain't nothing inside. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Flexing, know that we on. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what they clap, homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud where the vision saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing, thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop. It's a war zone, homies. town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold you
Yo yo, Atticus. Yo yo, hello. How you doing? Doing some Go this morning. I haven't done Go in a while, bro. You like it? I don't remember last thing that I did with Go. I think I started like a project for social analytics, something like that. I never got it going though. Probably should go back to it. Got a module built. Nice. There's this book. Let me try to remember the book that I was following. I don't know if I have it on my laptop. Let me try to find it. Give me a second. Let me see. I might not have it. That's pretty cool. Bro, I can't find it. Ah, there you go. I don't know if I can I fucking... Probably can't. Writing an interpreter in Go. I think you might get it for free. No. How did I get it then? I don't know if this is edu.org for the copy. Hopefully. I can't copy it here. Well, I've been doing this basically. Go. It's pretty interesting. But probably came up to like this part, I think. I never got to finish it. But yeah, Go is cool. Go is pretty cool. What is charm.land? Charmland. Your tools, your codes. What the hell? Oh. Interesting. I actually not seen this. I've seen this somewhere. Or heard of it. Yeah, definitely I did. Ah, yeah. Alright. Alright, there you go. Let's go. Golang. I'm working on the project that I was working on like a year ago, and I kind of went off of it. So I'm trying to kind of release the second version of it. It's not the best. It's basically like studio / band scheduler. So a studio can have like a rehearsal room, for example, or a studio for recording, whatever. And then bands can schedule their time slots, right? There's more things that I want to do, like payment in like between the studio and a band. I'm trying to add like a feedback for myself now, like so when I release it, so people can send feedback to me for bugs and stuff. If anyone's gonna use this, the UI is not the best, not at the moment at least. I don't really like it. I actually don't like the calendar. I'm using full calendar library, and I probably should like restyle it because these are kind of default styles. But yeah, generally this is what I'm working on. Is UI is it needs more work. I don't like it, but I want to add for functionality. Yeah, exactly. I want to add all functionality I want first, and then I'll try to make it look a bit nicer. I was thinking of like moving. Where the fuck is this? Not the sheet. Give me a second. This is a sidebar. Sidebar? Yeah. So I was thinking of like moving. Damn it. Later. Moving like all of this into like a sidebar. I think it would be nicer. But yeah, this is gonna happen at the end. So yeah. Also, I'm working on like, not at the moment, but I'm working on this estimation app for like agile teams and stuff. Well, it's called Estimation, but it's estimation app. Where you have like t-shirt sizes and stuff, and people can join into a room. It's basically like how we had like chat rooms before, I guess, except you can vote in it. And it's like Next.js and .NET as a backend. It's like 80% done. It looks much better than this. Like planning poker. I don't know what that is, if I'm being honest. Planning poker. Yes, something. Yeah. Something like this. And it's exactly like until like everyone in the room votes and the owner of the room doesn't like show the votes, like no one can see them, right? You can only see that the person voted, and like when everyone votes, the votes are revealed, and then you can do what you want with them. I want to integrate it with Jira too, so like I can pool. For example, I have like 50 Jira tickets and like 20 of them need estimation. I want to pull 20 of them into my app, and like when you estimate those Jira tickets in my app and whole team estimates it, and like what the final answer is, like what the consensus is, it also gets updated automatically like through API in Jira. Slack integration for this, for story. Yeah. A private poll? Like, I was going off of what we were doing in my company, so like, I think we were using, I don't know what we were using, Agile? I actually don't remember what we were using. But we could like see our names and stuff, right? We just couldn't see what the votes were, and then we had like, if the vote disparity was too much, we were like defending our points and stuff, and then when we came to a consensus, we said this is like the we like kind of, you could re-click it, I think, and then we got the consensus. I don't remember exactly what it was. It was like a year or so ago. But generally, this is what I went off. Like, private poll could also be interesting. That is something that I haven't even thought of, to be honest. We dropped a lot of the process around the tickets. Yeah, we don't even do that anymore. Like, honestly, just like we completely skip this in my company, at least. In the company I work for, not my company. Feel like it might be like a dead end for the application, but if anything, at least I learned something. But we'll see. Laid off the QA team. Where are you from, by the way? If I might ask. You're from the US? Or European Union? Canadian. You're Canadian, you live in Mexico and you work for a US company. Alright. There's all three combined. You're good. You're probably... Alright. You are Lua. You seem more advanced than me. You're the North American. Yeah, exactly. Beat, PBA, React. Interesting. You have a lot of projects. It's pretty cool. You fork them. But yeah, generally forks are placeholders. Alright. Honestly, I have like, I don't even know, bro. Like, give me a second. I think like a lot of my projects. Holy fuck! Did I? What is my GitHub? Is it here? Can I access it here? I can't. God damn it, bro. Like most of my projects are private. And this is my of course I'm connected. Okay, never mind. I'm not connected in this on this fucking laptop on my real GitHub that I use. I'm too lazy to go show you, but basically I don't have a lot of public projects. I think this and SMA show and even the social stuff thing is private. I don't think. And let me turn the light on. Ugh. You're all almost 100% open. I've never got into open source, honestly. I'm trying to build stuff to earn money. I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but I like coding, and if I can earn money, that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like most of the projects I just do is just to learn stuff, because they're never gonna be anything more than a learning process, I feel like. Like, I don't think anyone's interested in like, this is pretty niche, this band manager shit. Like, this is niche as fuck. Like, I would have to go through studios, email them, and how many fucking studios are there actually that want to use this? I don't think there's many. For estimation, also, it's kind of niche, so I don't see much progress that can be made there on the money side. But at least, you know, I learn new stuff, so that's kind of cool. That does sound cool. How did you get into like open source? Alrighty, let's write this. What the fuck did I do, bro? Alright, feedback button.tsx. Export const feed. Still a fucking React. It's React. Writer of React. Not really. Alright. This button should be button whatever. Should import it from here. Then we should make it absolute bottom 0 right 5. Can I do 5? Okay. Ah, I see. Alright, that makes sense. I see. Understandable. I've never gotten into that. As in, like, I've never gotten into, like, Web3 stuff. I wonder if there's, like... Is there many companies doing that kind of thing? Like, I've seen some... What'd you call that? On LinkedIn, I've seen some... I can't remember the English word for that. Fucking hell. Job offerings, whatever. But I haven't seen a lot of them. I feel like Instagram was going to do it, but they shut it down. So you would like, would you like to work as like a full stack or just like a backend kind of developer if you're learning Go? But to be fair, with Go you can do both, I guess, with the HTMX and shit. Full stack. I feel like Go is pretty good for that kind of thing, because it is similar to TypeScript. Like, I feel like since you said you ported it from TypeScript, I feel like it probably wasn't that hard. Probably wasn't that different to what TypeScript was, except like, I guess, pointers and stuff. But alright, where do I go? Can I go to layout and say, oh shit, I've never tried Lua, honestly. Rust, I did try a bit, but yeah, I don't know. I didn't see I could take a lot out of it. As in, I guess there's not really many jobs for it. and I had to learn other stuff, so that is also the issue. But from what I've been doing, I've been going through that book, The Rust Offers, and there's a bunch of shit that I didn't even know like what they were, because I've never done like, I guess you could call it like low level programming. I did do some C++ in my uni, but it wasn't a lot. I did do C like a year ago. Yeah, for sure. If you know like all of that, and if you know programming in general, I feel like if you know programming, if you know like design patterns or shit, like you can learn the language easily. I feel like also you guys from like North America are much more, I guess, driven than we are here. At least in Croatia. I won't say anything for like West Europe and stuff because I don't know, but like for Balkan, for Croatia, I think it's a lot different, a lot more competition too. To be fair, in America. Yeah, this is what I never could like. I could never. I told my wife that I would like to fucking quit like earning money from programming, right? And like go into some other like woodworking or whatever, like what do you call that in English? Water installation stuff, like with pipes and shit, like labor work, and just like do coding as like a hobby. Because I fucking love it, but like it pisses me the fuck off when I have to like work for not for me. Yeah, construction general contract. I've in my earlier years when I was 18, 19, 20, I did like a lot of that shit with uni or alongside uni, and like it was hard because labor, justice, construction, whatever you want, like whatever you want to work with that isn't like sitting at the desk, it is much harder on your body, obviously, not on your mind. But like I was at fucking peace. I know what, like it was just like so much easier, like less stressful. I don't know. I think I was, yeah, 2019 is when I actually started like working as like an internship is when I got it. 2019 is when, and then like half a year ago, I think, half a year after, sorry, not ago, after, I think code hit in Croatia. But like 2016 to 2019, like alongside uni, I was like doing all bunch of like labor shit, whatever it was, like whatever I could get my hands on. It was decent money. Like it was, you just fucking go through the day without like, you just have to do that. You don't have to think a lot about it. Obviously, if you're doing some, I don't know, I guess if you're the main guy who does like tiling or shit like that, I guess you have to at least think about it. But like if you know your shit, if you've been doing it like for 10-15 years, you'll probably go through it. I've been like delivering what do you call that, like drinks and shit through to bars. um and we had like this big, how would you call that, like, let me Google. A warehouse, like, yeah, not a stock, a warehouse where we were like going from. We had like, you get a bunch of drinks in the vehicle, and you go and you fucking deliver it to like bars that need drinks, right? Like that was the best job I ever had, and the dude that worked with me was driving the actual, was it a van or whatever it was, like, right? It was a truck or a van one day or the other. It was like the best dude that I ever worked with, honestly. Like the days were like 10-12 hours, like you start at 6, you end at 6, especially like summer days, but it still was like, it was tiring. Like you were tired at the end of the day, obviously, but it was fucking cool. I wasn't stressed at all. You do not miss the sun. Yeah, the sun when it's like fucking 35-40 degrees Celsius. I don't know what is in Fahrenheit. Or maybe, do you use Celsius in Canada? You do, right? You don't use it like Americans, right? You don't use Fahrenheit. Yeah. So like 35-40 degrees in fucking asphalt at the warehouse while you're like trying to get shit into the truck to deliver it. It's fucking awful. But it had to be done, and it was still like pretty cool. It was a pretty cool experience. Are they the only ones? Do Australians use Celsius too? Yeah, I guess everyone who was like under British rule do use Celsius, right? Rule. But then again, like Britain has like, for like weight, they have like stone, they have fucking kilograms, they have fucking, was it pounds that the Americans still use? Like they have everything mixed and matched. Yeah, for sure. Like the only like why I kind of know, for example, like feet, like the height sizes is like because of the NBA. Because I used to like do shit like, if someone's 6'4", what is that in centimeters, right? But otherwise I would fucking know. Okay, but then alright. Yeah, we use like milliliters and liters for fluids. We use kilograms for like weight, and I do centimeters or meters for like meters plus centimeters, I guess, for height, and obviously Celsius for degrees. Yeah, kilometers per hour. Yeah. And I think in Britain they definitely use fucking miles. And in America, or sorry, what you call it, USA. You know your conversions. I guess you have to. It is quite annoying though. Well, maybe not for you because like you get used to it, right? But like for me, it's fucking annoying. Can I fucking put this button somewhere? Like, where do I put this button? So this is layout. Let me look at this fucking DOM. Oh no. Body. Alright, can we get body to be... Where's body, bro? Body? Layout. Oh, there you go. Relative. Then we go feedback button here. Ah, bro, AI, import it. I've been watching, I think, like, I do love North America in general. Like, I do love watching stuff, either Canada or fucking USA. Primarily, like, USA is like the fucking Rocky Mountains and like Washington State and Oregon. and like in Canada, I don't know, you have provinces, right? I don't know which provinces exactly, but like whichever it is, it's like the northern part of it, because like of the snow and the fucking moose and shit. So I've been watching bro, what the fuck is his name? I can't remember his name. But basically, I've been watching this dude that's like driving a truck. He's from like Serbia, but he moved like to Canada like 13 years ago. And he's going like from Montreal to like, I don't know, Austin in Texas, to like Portland, to fucking Seattle, to then like he's going all the way to, like he went from, I think, Ontario, so Montreal, Ontario, and then he went to fucking Alaska, and like he records his trips. Like the fucking sights you see, they're fucking amazing. So honestly, like, it looks amazing. He was in what is that fucking let me see, Canada. Oh, Canada. Let me see. So he was, dude went from, don't mind the Croatian translations or letters. So where is Montreal? So he went here. He went here, I think, from here. So New Brunswick. And I think Nova Scotia. And he went here, and then with the, what do you call that in English? Traject. With a ferry. But a big ass ferry. It was huge. I think he went, I don't think it was St. John. Somewhere here, basically. But like the winters, I don't know, bro. I don't know how you handle that. Like here, where he was on this fucking island. I think this is an island, right? It must be. Yeah, it is an island. Like the winter that he recorded, it was, oh, bro. There is no way I would be able to handle that. My Mediterranean ass would be too frozen for this. Well, I'm not Mediterranean, but Adriatic Sea, whatever. But yeah, pretty, like the trip was pretty nice. Like looking at it, I wouldn't be there, but yeah. I think when he was going through like this New Brunswick, like I don't know if it's this exact road, right? Like I don't know, but like from his recordings, like the moose, what is the plural of moose? Is it moose still? Anyways, they were like on the fucking road and shit, like walking over the mice. No, it's mouse is mice. Meese? I don't know. I feel like it's still moose. It cannot be mooses. It doesn't make sense. Is it? Bro. Moose, plural. The plural of moose is fuck English, bro. Ah, shit. Anyways, like going through here, it's nah, bro. Like, so they yeah, plural of goose is geese. Yeah, you're right. So yeah, how about English is kind of fucked sometimes, but definitely not as fucked as German is. Like, I think I learned German for like 5 years, and I know fuck all. Like, I don't know how to speak it. There is no way. I'm still trying to remember the name of the guy. Like, fucking watch this guy every week. I can't. My brain is just not working, I guess, at the moment. Maybe I can find him in my... Ah, there you go. This guy. Miloš Samardzija. Like, he primarily obviously records for... You're looking, speaks English, French, and Spanish. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess it is kind of true. Yeah. But yeah, generally this dude is like, obviously for like, he speaks in our language, Serbian, which I mean I understand it's basically the same language as Croatian. But this is basically like, this is Iowa in the US. I'm trying to find the exact video. So this is him going over like icy Atlantic. Ah, there you go. Like, this is Miloš, please don't fucking copyright strike me for this. But yeah, this is the ferry where he went with the ferry over to Newfoundland. Like, bro, it is kind of, it's very brave of him, I would say. Like, also I think you have to have like a lot of experience as a trucker to do this. Yeah, that is a fucking huge ferry. Like, we have ferries in Croatia because we have like a fucking 1,000 islands, but like they're not even remotely, they're not even fucking half as big as this is. Like, look at this. This fucking has a bunch of trucks, or truck. Is it truck carriage? Whatever it is. Like, look at this. Holy shit. And it's like the road's here. Can we see the road? Like, what the fuck is this? Like, like it's pretty wide, right? But look at this. Fucking Canada is rough, bro. But I guess you know how it is since you're from there. But like, it's fucking like just from the videos. First time your family is fucked. But generally, I just fucking, I don't know. A lot of button, bro. What? Where's my button, bro? Show the button. What? Button. So body. You know, mix. So where are you? Whereabouts are you in like Mexico? Still live in the most dangerous highway in Canada? Damn, bro. Browser MCP. What the hell? A lot of button. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Wait, so how? Huh. Wait, what? Absolute? 40 kilometers from Guatemala. I mean, I know what Guatemala is, or like, but I don't know where. Mexico, Guatemala. Oh wait, so you're fucking all the way down. Holy shit. Oh, that is all the way down. I did not know that. How's the climate? Like, is it fucking hot as shit? Yo, and thank you for the follow. I don't get, like, I have this new laptop and like I didn't set up notifications. It's jungle. I watched a fucking horror movie yesterday with the fucking that was like in Mexico in like some old temple. I think it's called the Ruins or something like that. It's like from 2008. Looked hot. Humid and hot. Yeah. That's that is probably not the best. Like, why the fuck is this absolute shit not working? Absolute. Yeah, bro, like you're prepared for all the climates. Like the equatorial climate and the fucking northernmost climate. Well, I need to close this, and show me tailwind position. Fixed. Can we go fixed? It doesn't seem like it does anything. I'm guessing like winters are non-existent, right? For you, like, why is this button fucking... What the fuck? Alright, Z index... Z... Fucking... 50... What the I don't understand, honestly. Oh wait, do I need to fucking save this? Body... Relative. I should be fine, bro. What? This rainy season. Wait, is there hurricanes in Canada? I don't know. Like, I know there's in America, but I don't know about Canada. Why is this? I hate front end, bro. Like, why is this button not being positioned properly? What is this? Oh yeah, okay. Yo, Slow Learner XT from YouTube. Top. I don't know about top. I don't know why the fuck is like, what is going on with this button? All expats live in port towns. Mexico does sound like it has fucking storms and hurricanes and shit. And what can, like, what? Did I fuck something up? Like, fix Z bottom. I don't think top. Because I don't want it to be top. I want it to be like, I want it to be here. That's the issue. I want it to be here. This should be easy. Why isn't it easy? What do you fucking mean? No, bottom. I mean, you could, like, at bottom, right? Bottom, it was fucking, it's placed here. It's like, let's remove this outline here because we don't need it. Like, it's here, and I've put fucking a layout here, right? We have body has position relative here. It's like, from what I know, this should be like out of the like DOM flow, but it's not. Like, let me check the fucking button. Like, what do you have, bro? Like, Does it have a position? Position fixed. So what if I fucking absolute it? Like, even with the absolute. Come on. Jesus Christ. Let's refresh it. So, position relative on the body. Here. I want no hacks. I want it to work nicely. So this button here has position fixed. It doesn't matter. Absolute. Container. Which container? But body should be the container of this button, bro. Like, this is the parent, no? So I mean, like, if you put again with full here. Min with screen. Yeah. No. So let's see. So roll this. Let's see. Front hands, midnight. This. Do shit. Height. Something's fucked. Can I highlight the parent? Yeah. Feels like it's not applying this shit to the button at all. Like, if I set right 5, and if absolute position, like if it was out of the kind of DOM flow, it should at least be set on the right side, not on the left, as it's now. Did I fuck up something? Like, what if I say put it here? Like, this shouldn't matter at all. Wow. Did it disappear? No, it's now here. What the fuck is going on? Like, there must be some fucking shit that's like with this section and shit that's fucking it up. Height, calculate, padding, but I don't. Notifications. What the fuck is this, bro? Notifications F8. What? What is this? I do not remember this. Yeah, let's try that. Let's do it on both of them. Position relative, and then we go feedback button. Whatever it is, message circle, bro. Remove this. Alrighty. Let's remove all of this. Yeah. Fuck. God damn it. Something within Tailwind, some of the classes, something's fucking it up. What is it though? Shit. Could it be something within the button that's fucking it up? Like this. What if I let me just try something. Like if I have this button and like I do this. No, so it's not the button component itself. That's That's the issue. I think 5 is a class. Let's try. Fuck. Feedback button. Yeah, right, 5 is a class. 1.25 RAM, 20 pixels. So I don't think the issue is the button itself. Because like if it was, let's just put a quick shitty ass fragment here. Boom. Say like can't be button. So there must be something with the children. If we open up page, which we are here, page studio ID. Let's close all of this shit first. Don't need this. Sign up. Holy fuck. I did close it, huh? Page app studio. The computer util. Alright, let's try it. Feedback button. So we don't need it on this one, but we can try it on this one. Minus 10 pixels. Yeah, no, this isn't. Tailwind sucks. I don't think it sucks. I think I fucked something up. Shout out, bro. Sub, sign up. Yeah, because I'm streaming on YouTube, so if you hear me talking to someone else and it looks weird, it's because of that. So yeah, this isn't the issue, so it can't be that. Let me check the time, because I have to pick up my wife in like 20-ish minutes, I think. We can do 20 more minutes. Let's try to fucking solve this shit. So here, I don't think anything here is causing it. There's no way. Like even if we remove min-height screen here, like nothing seems to be causing that. What if I fucking remove digibackground from here? Nothing happens. Let's leave it. So if we go to the page here, suspense, fallback, blah blah blah. I don't think this would be causing it. It's just a spinner when the data is loaded. But I mean, if I can try. Does this accept only JSX? God, bro. Okay. Boom. AI, please. So it can't be that. Yeah. Huh, interesting. This feedback button, okay. It's not this though. Studio schedule, which is a client, page Rooney, has a bunch of stupid shit because of the fucking calendar that I was lazy to move. We can remove this one. Like I already have so much of the logic in the hooks. Anyways, let's see. Could this query error boundary be causing this shit? Shouldn't, right? Alright, we should see another button appear. No. Button, class, boom. Alright, Alright, so it's not that one. Let's return this shit like this. What am I cooking? I'm unfortunately I'm not cooking anything yet, bro. I can't fucking position the button absolutely properly. But it is studio slash band schedule app where a studio owner like that owns a studio can schedule bands, and the bands that are in the studio that have been invited in can schedule their own time slots for rehearsals, for studio recording, whatever it is. Obviously if the time slots are free. So nothing really too special, but I'd say I feel like it's good. A good learning app. For what it's worth, you think my tailing code is right? Yeah, definitely, I do agree with you that some stupid fucking shit is overriding it. 100%. And now, with the shit I kind of have to do still, I'm debating if I should fucking leave inline styles for now and maybe fix this like in 2 days when I go back to streaming. I'm gonna go back when I stream again. Could anything from like, I wonder like if anything here. Look at this, bro. Could this full calendar kind of be fucking things up somehow? Globals. Event title, nope. Min height. This is a grid events. This is like kind of custom styles for this shit. For this full calendar. I wonder if anything from here could be causing it. HTML body, height 100% is fine, I think. Max width 767, though we don't care about that. Text decoration. Or if we can like go write this. Oh no. I like where this is going, like these chassis and components. Nav button. I don't think. Like whatever it is, right? When we fix it, another button should appear here. Page TSX, what the fuck is this? Where is this from? What is this? What is this? Navigation, but we're not there. This is like the... This is the, what you call it? Landing page. I don't think anything from no, like, what am I fucking doing? This cannot be the issue. This is landing page. Fixed with the fucking... Yeah, pause. Error, no. This is not rendered now. Like, day picker. Alright, give me a second. My wife is calling me. Bye-bye. Alrighty. Well, here's the thing. I have to go. I have to pick up my wife. I will be back on at the same time on what's tomorrow's Monday, on Tuesday, and we're gonna do a bit of a longer stream. Nice to see some vanilla CSS. What do you mean? Oh, you mean in globals? Yeah, I see it every day though. In my work, we do everything with vanilla. So yeah, vanilla. I think it's like still CSS modules and vanilla are great. Yeah, so I'll be back 2 days, Tuesday, same time that I was today, and we'll do a longer stream. We'll try to finish this feedback feature, test it out, maybe write some tests, although we might leave this for later, we'll see. And nice insert Croatia time. I don't know, honestly. I think I'm CEST. I should be CEST. Croatian time zone. GMT +2. I think that is CEST. So yeah. GMT +2. No daylight savings. GMT -5. 7 hours difference. Alright. 6.5, 7. Not 6.5, 7. What the fuck am I talking about? Anyways. If you thank you for coming to the stream. Thank you for following me, Atticus, and for spending time on this stream. And I will see you, and everyone from YouTube too. Oh wait, alright. And everyone from YouTube too that was here, thank you for coming. And I'll see you on Tuesday.